Hi students, now we are going to discuss about nitric acid. Nitric acid. What is the formula of nitric acid? HNO3. HNO3. Nitric acid. Different type of acids are there. Sulfur compounds of acid, nitrogen compounds of acid, halogen compounds of acid, oxygen compounds of acid. But now we are going to discuss about nitrogen compounds of simplest acid, nitric acid. HNO3. What is the structural formula of nitric acid? H bond O bond N double bond oxygen coordinate bond with the oxygen. HNO3 contain one OH group, OH, one OH group. N double bond O, one groups are there. Another one coordinate bond with one oxygen atom. Different type of bonds are there. Ionic bond, covalent bond, coordinate covalent bond, metallic bond. The metallic bond formed between the metal elements are metal and metal. Coordinate covalent bond formed between the two elements. The two elements between the bond contain two electrons. Both electrons donated by any one of the atom. Ionic bond formed between the two non-charged particles of positive as well as negative. Covalent bond formed between the two elements. That elements mutual sharing of electron between the two atoms. One is a covalent bond, ionic bond, coordinate covalent bond, metallic bonds are there. That bond is a coordinate covalent bond. That bond contains a common electron, two electrons. Both electrons donated by nitrogen atom, not oxygen atom. That bond is called a coordinate covalent bonds. So formula of nitric acid HNO3. Then structural formula of nitric acid HO, N double bond O, then coordinate bond with oxygen. Nitric acid contains one OH groups are there. That's why in the HNO3 act as a acid because of organic or inorganic compounds. Which of the organic or inorganic compound easily release hydrogen as a proton means the acid strength increases. That's why the nitric acid contains one OH group that hydrogen easily liberates as a proton. That's why it's acid. Next one, now we are going to discuss about two methods of the preparation of nitric acid. One is a simple method, another one commercial method. Large scale of nitric acid can be prepared from the commercial method. Simple, small amount of nitric acid can be prepared from the simple method. What is a simple method to preparation of nitric acid? The nitric acid can be prepared from equal amount of potassium nitrate, KNO3, potassium nitrate or sodium nitrate, NaNO3, potassium nitrate and sodium nitrate. Is a react with concentrated sulfuric acid, HSO4. Equal amount of potassium nitrate with nitric acid or sodium nitrate with nitric acid to give potassium bisulfate KHSO4 potassium bisulfate with HNO3 nitric acid. Another one sodium bisulfate NaHSO4 plus nitric acid HNO3. KHSO4 otherwise called potassium bisulfate. NaHSO4 otherwise called sodium bisulfate. And the nitric acid is a major product. The sodium bisulfate and potassium bisulfates are minor product. It's a byproduct. Major amount of HNO3 nitric acid and HNO3 nitric acid can be prepared from potassium nitrate with sulfuric acid or sodium nitrate with sulfuric acid. So nitric acids are formed. In this reaction maintained at low temperature because of is due to avoid the decomposition of nitric acid. Suppose increase in temperature means nitric acid dissociate. The nitric acid HNO3 dissociate at high temperature to produce nitrogen dioxide NO2 plus oxygen gas and water molecules are formed when in high temperature. At high temperature nitric acid is dissociated. At low temperature nitric acid can't dissociate. That's why in this reaction maintained at a low temperature to avoid the decomposition of nitric acid. The nitric acid contains to form of fuming brown colored liquid because of which contain little amount of nitrogen dioxide. The nitrogen dioxide can be obtained from decomposition of nitric acid. So nitric acid dissociate to form of nitrogen dioxide, oxygen gas and water molecule. It is one method. It's the simplest method, simple method. So low quantity, so lesser amount of nitric acid can be prepared from potassium nitrate with concentrated sulfuric acid. the reaction heated at low temperature to avoid the decomposition of nitric acid. In the liquid nitric acid contains to form of fuming brown colored liquid which contain little amount of nitrogen dioxide, which is formed by decomposition of nitric acid at high temperature. So nitric acid dissociated at high temperature to form nitrogen dioxide, oxygen gas and water molecule. It is the simplest method. Another one, in the comparison method to preparation of nitric acid by Ostwald process. Ostwald process. In Ostwald process, major amount of or large amount of nitric acid can be prepared. In Ostwald process, ammonia can be converted to the nitric oxide. Nitric acid further oxidized to nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide combined with water molecule to form water. It is the simplest process. The ammonia can be prepared in Ostwald process. Ammonia can be prepared from Haber process. What is meaning of Haber process? 3:1 ratio of hydrogen gas can combine with nitrogen gas heated in presence of iron metal as a catalyst, molybdenum as a promoter, potassium oxide K2O as a catalyst, and Al2O3 also as a catalyst. So iron metal is a main catalyst, potassium oxide, aluminum trioxide is a substituent catalyst, molybdenum as a promoter. What is meaning of promoter? The promoter is used to increase the activity of catalyst known as promoter. The iron metal as a catalyst. What is meaning of catalyst? Catalyst is a chemical substance which alter the rate of reaction without itself undergoing the chemical change. So hydrogen can combine with nitrogen to form of ammonia. The process known as Haber process. In Haber process, first you have to prepare the nitrogen can combine with hydrogen to form of ammonia. In the ammonia gas, NH3, what is the formula of ammonia? NH3. In the ammonia gas, mixed with 10 times of oxygen gas. Mixed with 10 times of oxygen gas. This mixture of ammonia and oxygen gas first preheated and passes through chamber containing catalyst, and in presence of or coming in contact with platinum wire. Here platinum wire acts as a catalyst. In this reaction, heated up to 1270 Kelvin. 1270 Kelvin. The platinum wire, it is used to catalytic oxidation of ammonia oxidized to form of nitric oxide plus H2O water plus 120 kilojoule amount of heat energy liberated because of this reaction, exothermic reaction. Two types of reactions are there. One is exothermic and another is endothermic. What is the meaning of exothermic reaction? What is the meaning of endothermic reaction? In endothermic reaction, temperature or heat energy required to decompose the chemical reaction in which absorption of heat energy known as endothermic reaction. The chemical reaction in which liberation of heat energy to the surrounding known as exothermic reaction. In exothermic reaction, 120 kilojoule amount of heat energy liberated. So ammonia oxidized, catalytic oxidized by in presence of a platinum wire or platinum gas, heated 1270 Kelvin. Ammonia oxidized to form of nitric oxide. That nitric oxide NO further oxidized with air to form of nitrogen dioxide NO2. It is a nitrogen dioxide. It is a nitric oxide. NO is a nitric oxide. NO2 is a nitrogen dioxide. First ammonia oxidized, catalytic oxidized with platinum wire, heated 1270 Kelvin to form of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide further oxidized by air to form of nitrogen dioxide. The nitrogen dioxide passes through series of in the adsorption tower which contain water molecules. So, in the nitrogen dioxide, NO2 is combined with water H2O to form of nitric acid HNO3 plus nitric oxide plus in the H2O mode. So, HNO3 is a major amount of nitric acid can be prepared from Ostwald process. So, Ostwald process, maximum large amount of nitric acid can be prepared. In Ostwald process, ammonia can be prepared from the Haber process. In Haber process, 3:1 ratio of hydrogen can combine with nitrogen in presence of iron metal, molybdenum as a promoter, potassium oxide and aluminum oxide small quantities are added. It is also acts as a catalyst to form of ammonia. In this mixture of or in the ammonia gas mixed with 10 times of oxygen gas is first preheated and passes through the chamber containing catalyst. In this mixture is coming in contact with platinum ion or platinum gas. In the reaction heated rise in temperature of 1270 Kelvin to form of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide further oxidizes by air to form of nitrogen dioxide. In this nitrogen dioxide passes through series of adsorption tower contain water molecule. That's why nitrogen dioxide can combine with water to form of nitric acid HNO3, nitric oxide and is water removed. So it is an important method to preparation of nitric acid HNO3 nitric acids. Two methods are there. Preparation of nitric acid. One is the simplest method and one is the commercial method. In simplest method, potassium nitrate equal amount with sulfuric acid is heated. In Oswald process, oxidation of ammonia to nitric oxide. Nitric oxide further oxides to nitrogen oxide. Nitrogen oxide combined with water molecule to form of nitric acid, nitric oxide and water is removed. So major amount of large scale of nitric acid can be prepared from Oswald process. Is an important reaction. It is a method to preparation of nitric acid. Another one, in the properties of nitric acid. Nitric acid is a pure nitric acid is a colorless substance. Pure nitric acid is a colorless substance. In the colorless substance of pure nitric acid, boil at 86 degrees Celsius. So boil at 86 degrees Celsius. In the nitric acid, completely soluble in water molecule in all proportion. So aqueous solution of nitric acid to form constant boiling mixture. In the constant boiling mixture which contain the 98% of nitric acid HNO3 and 2% of water molecule H2O. In the boiling point of in this aqueous solution of constant boiling mixture 120.5 degrees Celsius. So pure nitric acid is a colorless. It boils at 86 degrees Celsius. Aqueous solution of nitric acid, that means what is meaning of aqueous solution of nitric acid means nitric acid is mixed with water. Nitric acid miscible with water. Nitric acid soluble in water. Association of intermolecular hydrogen bond with the intermolecular hydrogen bond with the nitric acid and water molecule. So nitric acid completely soluble in water molecule in all proportion. Form constant boiling mixture. The constant boiling mixture which contain 98% of nitric acid, 2% of water molecule. The constant boiling mixture boiling point at 120.5 degrees Celsius. In the nitric acid which contain then oxides of nitrogen. What is the meaning of oxides of nitrogen? Nitrogen dioxide NO2, nitric oxide NO, nitrogen sesquioxides N2O3. In the nitrogen tetroxide NO2 or N2O4, nitrogen tetroxide N2O4, nitrous oxide N2O, nitrous oxide, hydroxylamine also is a nitrous oxide N2O4, nitrogen tetroxide, N2O3, nitrogen sesquioxides, NO, nitric oxide, NO2, nitrogen dioxides is oxides of nitrogen. In the nitric acid which contain oxides of nitrogen. The nitric acid decomposed or heated or exposed to sunlight. It is a decomposed nitric acid HNO3 exposed to sunlight or is heated or it is a decomposed at high temperature is a dissociate to form nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen gas plus water molecule H2O removed. Due to this reaction, pure nitric acid or concentrated nitric acid exists as a yellow on standing. Nitric acid is acid. Is otherwise called oxidizing agent. It is a nitrating agent. It is a powerful oxidizing agent. The oxidizing agents of nitric acid oxidize a lot of metal can be converted to metal oxide. So metal can be converted to metal oxide by using of nitric acid HNO3 because of nitric acid is a acid. Nitric acid acts as an oxidizing agent. Nitric acid acts as a in the what? Nitrating agent. It gives the NO2 plus ion. That means called electrophile. NO2 plus ion. It means called electrophile. The nitric acid electrophile donor. What is meaning of electrophile? Electron deficient species of substance known as electrophile. That electrophile attack on the electron rich side. That means called electrophile. The electrophile donated by using of nitric acid. So nitric acid acts as acid, nitric acid acts as oxidizing agent, nitric acid acts as the nitrating agent. So nitric acid oxidizes metal can be converted to metal oxide. Metal can be converted to metal oxide. Oxidation state of nitrogen in nitric acid can be changes from +5 to then -3 because of nitric acid formula HNO3. Nitrogen reaction formula NO2. In the nitrous acid formula HNO2. Nitric oxide formula NO, nitrous oxide formula NO2, N2O, nitrogen gas formula N2, in the ammonia formula NH3. Ammonia NH3, nitrogen N2, nitrous oxide N2O, nitric oxide NO, nitrous acid HNO2, nitrogen dioxide NO2, nitric acid HNO3. Charge of the hydrogen is 1. Nitrogen becomes X. In each oxygen exhibits the -2 charge. So how many oxygens are there? 3 oxygen. 3 into 6 equal to 3 into 2 equal to 6, which is equal to 0. Because of in compound there is no charge on there. So 1x minus 5, which is equal to 0. X is equal to +5. So oxygen state of nitrogen in nitric acid +5. Oxygen state of nitrogen in nitrogen dioxide +4. Oxygen state of nitrogen in nitrous acid +3. Oxygen state of nitrogen in nitric oxide +2. Oxygen state of nitrogen in nitrous oxide +1. Oxygen state of nitrogen 0. Oxygen state of nitrogen in ammonia -3. So nitric acid is an acid. Oxygen state of nitrogen can be changes from +5 to -3. It is oxidizing agents. But in the nitric acid, do not liberate hydrogen with the metal. The metal reacted to nitric acid means do not liberate the hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas does not be donated by nitric acids. In the nitric acid is acid, it's oxidizing agent, then otherwise called nitrating agents. Then come to the next point. In the nitric acid acts as acid. Nitric acid acts as acid. Like other acids, nitric acid reacts with the base as well as the metal oxides. Metal oxide formula is ZnO, zinc oxide. React with nitric acid, HNO3. React with nitric acid, HNO3 gives zinc nitrate, ZnNO3 twice plus water H2. Is metal oxide react with nitric acid. Another one, iron oxide, FeO. React with nitric acid, HNO3 gives ferric nitrate, FeNO3 thrice plus nitric oxide plus water H2O. Like other acid, nitric acid react with base as well as a metal oxide. In metal oxide like a zinc oxide or iron oxide, ferrous oxide, react with nitric acid. Zinc oxide can be converted into zinc nitrate. Ferrous oxide can be converted to ferric nitrate. What is the oxygen state of nitrogen in the nitric acid +5? What is the oxygen state of nitrogen in the nitrate ion NO3 minus ion? Nitrogen expressed as X -6, which is equal to -1 because of -1 charges are there. X which is equal to 6 minus 1, which is equal to 5. So oxygen of nitrogen cannot be changes from the +5 to another then +5 because of zinc oxide contain zinc metal exhibit the +2 oxygen state. Zinc nitrate contain zinc exhibit the +2 oxygen state. But here ferrous oxide contain iron exhibit the +2 oxidation state. Ferric nitrate contain iron exhibit the +3 oxidation state. +2 can be converted to +3. +2 oxidation state can be converted into +3. Oxidation number increases. Then the process known as oxidation process. Nitric acid acts as an oxidation agent. The nitric acid oxidizes the Fe2+ ion can be converted to Fe3+ ion. It is an important one of the method. These are two methods it is used to indicate the nitric acid as an acid. nitric acid HNO3 as an acid. The next one, nitric acid as a oxidizing agent, which oxidize the carbon to carbon dioxide, sulfur to sulfuric acid, iodine to iodic acid, phosphorus to orthophosphoric acid, in the hydrogen sulfide to sulfur. So non-metal of carbon, sulfur, iodine, phosphorus, in the hydrogen sulfide containing sulfur oxidize to respective elements and compounds. So from this process we can find out the nitric acid as an oxidizing agent. First one, carbon. Carbon combined with nitric acid HNO3 to form carbon dioxide CO2 and nitrogen dioxide NO2. Then water molecule H2O. Another one, sulfur is a combined with nitric acid HNO3 gives sulfuric acid H2SO4 plus nitric acid more. Then phosphorus is a react with nitric acid gives orthophosphoric acid H3PO4 plus nitrogen dioxide NO2 and water H2O more. Next one, in the iodine I2 react with nitric acid HNO3 gives iodic acid HiO3 plus nitric oxide and water molecule H2O more. Another one, in the hydrogen sulfide H2S react with nitric acid HNO3 gives sulfur plus nitric oxide plus H2O water more. Then fluorine F2 react with nitric acid HNO3 gives hydrogen fluoride HF plus fluoronitric acid NO3F. Fluoronitric acids. In this reaction indicate the nitric acid as a oxidizing agent. How to find out the oxidizing agent of nitric acid? What is the oxidation of carbon? 0. What is the oxidation of carbon in carbon dioxide? Plus 4. Because of each oxygen exhibits the -2 charge. How many oxygens are there? 2 oxygen. 2 into -2 you go to -4. So in carbon dioxide CO2, carbon is expressed as a X minus 4 which is equal to 0. X is equal to 4 plus 4 oxygen. In sulfur, what is the oxidation of sulfur? 0. What is the oxidation of sulfur in sulfuric acid? Plus 6. What is the oxidation of phosphorus? 0. What is the oxidation of phosphorus in phosphoric acid? Plus 5. What is the oxidation of iodine? 0. What is the oxidation of iodine in iodic acid? Plus 5. What is the oxidation of sulfur? -2. What is the oxidation of sulfur in hydrogen sulfide? -2. What is the oxidation of sulfur? 0. So -2 can be converted to 0. Oxidation number increases. 0 can be converted to plus 5. Oxidation number increases. 0 can be converted to plus 5. Oxidation number increases. 0 can be converted to plus 6. Oxidation number increases. 0 can be converted to plus 4. Oxidation number increases. The process known as oxidation process. Here nitric acid acts as a oxidizing agent because of the nitric acid is used to carbon oxidize to carbon dioxide, sulfur oxidize to sulfuric acid, phosphorus oxidize to orthophosphoric acid, iodine oxidize to iodic acid, hydrogen sulfide oxidize to sulfur. In the process or from this process we can conclude that nitric acid acts as a oxidizing agent. The nitric acid oxidizes non-metal like carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, iodine, sulfur oxidize to respective elements of compounds. In the process indicate in the nitric acid acts as a oxidizing agents. Another one, nitrating agent. Nitrating. What is the meaning of nitrating agent? In the mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, concentrated nitric acid HNO3 and concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4 mixed together to form NO2 plus ion. It is important one, NO2 plus ion. It means called a nitronium ion. Nitronium ion acts as a electrophile, electron deficient species which attack on the electron rich side. That's enough. In the next, hydronium ion H3O plus HSO4 minus ions are moved. So nitronium ions are formed. That nitronium ion is used for in the replacement of hydrogen from the organic substance. What organic substance? For example, benzene. C6H6 is a benzene organic substance. That organic substance reacts with the concentrated nitric acid. nitric acid as a then reactant. Sulfuric acid acts as a in the reagent. In the reagent, it is used to generate the nitronium ion, NO2 plus ion. NO2 plus a nitronium ion. So sulfuric acid, it is used to generate the nitronium ion from the nitric acid. So nitronium ion acts as a electrophile. That electrophile substitute in the place of hydrogen in organic compound to form of nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene NO2 C6H5. It is a C6H6. It is a C6H5 NO2. Nitrobenzene can be prepared. In this process, aromatic, electrophilic substitution reaction. Aromatic, electrophilic substitution reaction. Which one is aromatic? Benzene is aromatic. Which one is electrophile? NO2 plus is electrophile. What is the meaning of substitution? In the electrophile, substitute in the place of hydrogen in benzene. Benzene contains hydrogen replaced by NO2. So NO2 plus ion substitute in the place of hydrogen in benzene. So in the process known as aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction, substitution process. NO2 plus ion substitute hydrogen in aromatic ring or organic substance to form of the nitrobenzene. From this reaction, we can conclude that nitric acid, it means called nitrating mixture of nitric acid acts as a nitrating agents. Okay. Next one. Metal react with metal react with nitric acid. What metal? In the metal, like all metals are react with nitric acid except in the Ra metal Au, in the platinum Pt, rhodium Rh, iridium Ir, and tantalum Ta. Tantalum metal, iridium, rhodium, platinum, Rm. These metals do not react with nitric acid. But all metals react with nitric acid except in these metals. Another one, in the metals such as aluminium Al, iron Fe, cobalt Co, nickel Ni, and chromium Cr. Aluminium, iron, cobalt, nickel, and chromium. These metals do not react with constant nitric acid but renders passive nature. One kind of layer formed on the surface of the metals. Layer, oxide layer. One kind of layer is nothing but oxide layer. Aluminium can be converted to aluminium trioxide, Al2O3. Iron can be converted to ferric oxide, Fe2O3. Then cobalt can be converted to cobalt dioxide, COO2. Nickel can be converted to nickel oxide. Chromium can be converted to Cr2O3. So chromium dioxide from the chromium, nitric oxide, nickel oxide, NiO. Nickel oxide from the nickel, cobalt dioxide from the cobalt, ferric oxide from the iron, in the aluminum oxide from the aluminium. So oxides of respective metal formed on the surface of the metal. This layer, this oxide film or oxide layer, product them from further oxidation with nitric acid on the metals. So product them from further oxidation with nitric acid on the metals. It is one kind of layers are formed. That layer is nothing but respective oxide layer. Another one, weak electropositive metals. Weak electropositive metals such as tin SN, stibbium SP, arsenic AS, tungsten wolfram, and molybdenum MO. In this metal react with nitric acid, it can be converted into respective oxides of higher oxidation state. Tin can be converted to tin oxide, SnO2. Stibbium can be converted to stibbium trioxide, Sp2O3. Arsenic can be converted to As2O3. Wolfram can be converted to WO5. In the molybdenum can be converted to MOO2. So molybdenum dioxide, wolfram pentaoxide, arsenic dioxide, stibbium dioxide, tin oxides are formed. So in the weak electropositive metals like tin, stibbium, arsenic, tungsten, and molybdenum react with nitric acid to form of higher oxidation state of respective metal oxide, and lower oxidation of nitrogen can be changes. From this reaction, most common byproducts are formed. What is meaning of byproduct? The nitric oxide contain and nitric acid contain nitric oxide, nitrogen dioxide NO2, and in then what? H2O. In the NO, nitric oxide, NO2, nitrogen dioxide, and H2O is a major product. Occasionally, nitrogen N2, hydroxylamine NH2OH and ammonias are formed from this reaction. In the weak electropositive metals like in the tin, stibbium, arsenic, wolfram and molybdenum react with nitric acid, it can be changes into higher oxidation state of metal oxide, and nitric acid containing nitrogen decreases oxidation state from +5 to -3, +5 to -3. From this reaction, in the most common byproducts are formed like nitric oxide, nitrogen dioxide and water molecule. Occasionally, nitrogen gas and hydroxylamine NH2OH and ammonias are formed. Occasionally, nitrogen, hydroxylamine and ammonias are formed. Next one, we are going to discuss about metal react with nitric acid. In the reaction between the metal and nitric acid consists of a three-step process: primary reaction, secondary reaction, tertiary reaction. First one, primary reaction. Primary reaction. In primary reaction, metal react with nitric acid HNO3 to form metal nitrate MnO3, metal nitrate plus nascent hydrogen, individual atomic hydrogen known as a nascent hydrogen. Nascent hydrogens are formed. It is a primary reaction of metal with nitric acid. Next one, secondary reaction. Secondary reaction of metal with nitric acid. The nitric acid HNO3 react with hydrogen. One type of hydrogen gives nitrous acid HNO2 plus H2O. Another one, in the nitric acid HNO3 react with here 2 hydrogen, here 6 hydrogen to form of hydroxylamine NH2OH plus H2O. Next one, the nitric acid HNO3 react with 8 moles of nascent hydrogen to give in the ammonia NH3 plus H2O. Another one, in the nitric acid HNO3 react with in the nascent hydrogen to form H2N2O2 plus H2O. H2N2O2 hyponitrous acid, NH3 ammonia, hydroxylamine NH2OH, nitrous acid HNO2. Nitric acid can combine with nascent hydrogen to form of nitrous acid, hydroxylamine, ammonia, hyponitrous acid. These compounds are secondary product compounds. Next one, tertiary reaction. Tertiary reaction. In tertiary reaction consists of two types of process. In tertiary reaction follow the two ways. One is a decomposition of secondary product. Which one is a secondary product? Nitric acid is a secondary product. Hydroxylamine is a secondary product. Ammonia is a secondary product. Hyponitrous acid is a secondary product. Decomposition of in tertiary reaction consists of two ways. One is a decomposition of secondary product. Another one in the reaction between the secondary product. First of all, we are going to discuss about decomposition of secondary product. What is the meaning of decomposition of secondary product? Secondary product of nitrous acid HNO2 is a decomposed form of nitric acid HNO3 plus in the nitric oxide plus H2O removed. It is a decomposition of nitrous acid. Another one way, in the nitrous acid HNO2 dissociated to form of dinitrogen trioxide plus water. Dinitrogen trioxide. Dinitrogen, 2 nitrogen, trioxide, 3 oxygen. So dinitrogen trioxide, that means called sesquio oxides. Sesquio oxides, dinitrogen trioxide. The next one, in the hyponitrous acid H2N2O2, hyponitrous acid is a dissociate to form of nitrous oxide N2O plus H2O. It is a decomposition of secondary product. Nitrous acid, hydroxylamine, ammonia, hyponitrous acid is in the secondary reaction contain product. The secondary product dissociate to form of a nitric acid or nitrogen trioxide, dinitrogen trioxide or nitrogen sesquioxides. Another one is nitrous oxide. It is one way. It is a decomposition of secondary product. Another one way, reaction between the secondary product. For example, nitric acid, nitrous acid, HNO2 react with ammonia, NH3 gives nitrogen plus water, H2O remove. Then HNO2 nitrous acid react with hydroxylamine, NH2OH gives in then nitrous oxide N2O plus H2O. Next one, nitrous acid HNO2 plus nitric acid HNO3 gives nitrogen reaction NO2 plus water H2O. Nitrous acid and ammonia is a secondary product. Nitrous acid and ammonia. Nitrous acid hydroxylamine is a secondary product. Nitrous acid and hydroxylamine. Nitric acid and nitrous acid and nitric acid are also secondary product. It's a nitrous acid, it's a nitric acid. It's a secondary product. So in this reaction is decomposition of secondary product. This reaction is a reaction between the secondary product. In reaction between the secondary product to give the new compounds of nitrogen, nitrous oxide, nitrogen dioxide. Decomposition of the secondary product gives the nitric acid and nitrogen sesquioxide, nitrous oxides. It is the reaction takes place in between the metal with nitric acid. So reaction between the metal with nitric acid in three ways. One is a primary reaction, secondary reaction, tertiary reaction. Primary reaction, metal with nitric acid to form metal nitrate and nascent hydrogen. Second reaction, the nascent hydrogen combined with the nitric acid to form a secondary product. In tertiary reaction, two ways are there. One is secondary product decomposition of secondary product. Another one, reaction between the secondary product to give the different products. Okay students, today topic over. The next topic we will meet the next videos. Thank you.